Hello, welcome to Nano Peak. This is a tutorial video for connected app. I'm going to walk you through how to transfer your Google Maps to your connected app on your phone. Now, what I'm going to do is on iPhone and from Windows. You may have Mac or you may have Android, so it's going to change a little bit. I'm not going to go through all that. Most new BMW motorcycles now come with a large display, and that display connects to this BMW connected app on your phone to show you navigation. This connected app allows you to create your route, plan your ride, and get those turn-by-turn directions. However, creating a custom ride on your phone on a tiny screen can be a cumbersome experience. Many people really choose to do it on a computer or on a MacBook and then transfer that route onto their GPS modules, GPS systems. The same thing can be done on this connected app. You can actually create a map or a route on Google Maps and then export that into a GPX file and then somehow import it into your connected app. And that's exactly what we're gonna do now. So here we go. I'm on Google Maps website, and on the left hand side you can see I have a bunch of waypoints added that completes my route. Now this route is a loop. And when you're creating a loop like this on Google Maps, just for the conversion purpose, make sure you have different start and destination points, even if they are right next to each other. Because when you're converting a map into the GPX file, the converter fails if the start and destination is the same location. So these are my waypoints. This is my standard sort of route. It's like a test route to Bear Mountains and back. And I'm going to go to menu and hit share, and essentially copy this link. Now we're done with our Google Maps. Now this video is considering that you know how to add waypoints, you know how to move them around like this, and get what you want from Google Maps to set up your ride. All right, once we copy the link for this map, we go to Maps to GPX website, right click and paste it here. Now there are additional advanced settings that you can change, but for the purpose of this video and tutorial, I'm not going to change anything. You can just hit let's go. Once you hit let's go, it may take between a few seconds up to a minute, depending on how many waypoints you have or how long your route is for this GPX file to be generated. And move the video away. Since I'm using this Edge browser, you can use any browser basically. It's showing me if I want to open the file or save the file. Of course, I'm not going to open it on the computer. I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it on my computer here in any folder. You just got to know where you're saving it. Once that's done, now you have the file, and essentially now you can just send this file to yourself. You can use email and open that email on your phone. You can text yourself if you're using or doing this on a MacBook. MacBook allows that. I'm doing this on a Windows machine, so I don't have that ability. I think for Android users, there's probably a way you can text yourself from a Windows machine or Windows computer to your Android phone. But for now, I'm going to use something called Telegram. Telegram is a messaging app just like WhatsApp if you have used it. So I'm going to open Telegram. It has a section called Save Messages. If you don't have it pinned like I have on my account here, you can go to these options and then go to Save Messages, and that should bring you here. Then you can click on Attach the downloaded file, and then you can just send it to yourself. Okay, once you've sent the file to yourself, I did it through Telegram, so I'm going to open Telegram app from my phone. Once you're in here, there's a section called Save Messages, the same one that we saw just now on the phone app. You clicked on Save Messages, and here you can see your file that you just sent. So I'm going to click on the file that I just sent. It looks like gibberish. It's not really gibberish, it's all the waypoints here. You don't have to worry about any of this. Once you tap on the file, go on Share. You're going to scroll and click on Connected App. That will launch Connected App on your phone and will give you a couple of choices to open this file and import the route. Now you can see the top option is just the waypoints, and that would allow you to just import the waypoints into the connected app and use the connected app preferences to create a route for you based on those waypoints. I don't like that usually because I have curated my route on Google Maps, and I have custom waypoints and the route that I need the connected app to follow. So I'm going to uncheck the top one and only keep the bottom one that has 13,434 points. You don't have to worry about any of that. Just select it and click on import. And once it's imported, it's going to show you it's done. You can click on now that imported route. It looks exactly the way I had planned it in Google. And when you're ready to go, you can just come to connected app, click on the maps section, and then your GPX file that you just imported, and hit go. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. That helps the channel a lot. If you have any ideas or better way to get the GPX file or Google Maps into the connected app, and I'm probably doing it the longer way, please let me know in the comments. And there are other videos you might want to check on the channel that may help. Also, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Until next time, peace. If you learned something from this video, please consider leaving a like button. Don't leave a like button.